What's up guys? I will be going over what Etherscan is and how you can utilize it to your benefit. So what is Etherscan? It's a website tool you can use to examine the Ethereum blockchain, such as viewing wallets and transactions that occur on the blockchain network. This tool is called a block explorer, and every blockchain has one. For Ethereum specifically, it's called Etherscan. You can find it on etherscan.io. I will link it in the description. This tool is available for the public and it's free to use. You can use Google to find other block explorers for different blockchains as well. So here are some ways you can use Etherscan. You can view the balance of someone's Ethereum wallet address. The owner remains anonymous unless that wallet is publicly known. For example, this wallet address here, we do not know the owner, but we can still view the balance. This specific wallet is owned by the Binance exchange. We know that the balance is huge on exchanges because they need to provide liquidity for trading and for withdrawing users' tokens to other wallets. Since this is an Ethereum block explorer, you will see Ethereum balances and ERC20 balances as well. Another useful tool from Etherscan is viewing transactions. When you withdraw coins from exchanges like Coinbase or transact on external wallets like MetaMask, the UI will prompt you with something like verify transaction and Explorer. This will lead you to that specific transaction on Etherscan. You can verify if that transaction is pending or approved on the blockchain. Every transaction you see will be recorded on the blockchain forever, and it will always be there for you to go back and view. I hope this was useful for you guys. Thanks.